Nourishing Generations, a nutrition manual for pregnancy and lactation, specifically geared for professionals in the field of pregnancy and lactation. And if you're a mom, it's a great reference tool to compare all your vitamins. It has wonderful, useful tables in the back, and I think just the tables themselves are a useful tool to have in your pantry and to be able to take out your vitamins and compare that. Or if you have a question about a trimester or a nutrient, you can look up it. It's sorted by nutrients. And then I have my manual on how to cook recipes such as this and how to keep yourself fed during pregnancy and lactation. It's called Staying Fed, and it's a 26-week series where you have 5 days a week where everything the pregnant or lactating woman will eat, and it shows you how to manage your kitchen. It gives fun science tips, everything you can imagine, and in a format that's not your basic recipe. For example, we might make chopped mushrooms and use it in 3 different dishes, or we might make mushroom risotto and then turn it into a casserole, and then we might make a salsa and use that on 4 different dishes in the week. And it's just a really fun way to coordinate and plan your cooking and get all the nutrients. And it has all the nutrient tables. You are guaranteed to get 100% of your RDA for both pregnancy and lactation. And of course these time periods are different and you have different needs, and so that's why in the manual there's extra tips given, and you get if you're pregnant, for example, 1 week you might have carrot juice twice in the week, but the lactating woman is then going to have some molasses on her, blackstrap molasses only, on her oatmeal. And I'm not going to tell you why because you have to check out the book, but I hope you enjoy it.